Hello everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. In the lecture, I'm going to show you how to insert table, and then we'll convert this table into matrix visuals. Go click on the tables, and we have only one field to fill, the column's name. I'm going to add first category and add category name. Second table I have product and add product name. And third, I'm going to add numerical value, so this is total order. Here we add the total orders, and also we have, I'm gonna add from here, we have the total, the total revenue, and the last column I'm gonna add, we have the return rate, and add the return rate, and you can update the name from here. Just click on that, give some space, product name, some space, and this is total. Gonna keep it orders, and just modify the column names. It's supposed to be revenue, and also for the return rate, I'm gonna keep it return, have but percentage, and this is how to update the column name. Let's adjust the table. Okay, keep it here. So we have return rate, we have category name, product name, order, and revenue, and return rate. And you can easily modify this table and change it into matrix. You have suggestions like matrix, scatter chart, and bar chart, whatever. I'm going to change this one to matrix, and we need to update only the columns, so Power BI will automatically give this, because it's numerical value, so it gives it with the value. And we need this category name in the rows, but you have only the product names came with the columns. And this is not friendly using. You can check, it's hard to check all the values, so all you have to do, just go product name and keep it add data in here. Now you can easy to travel between levels. So from here you have category name, you can go to the product name, come back to the category name, or you can go to the fourth level, expand all the data from here and make it bigger. Okay, you can see all the levels from these options. I'm gonna back, and I will update all updates only. I'm gonna keep the update data. I'm gonna remove the category name. I keep only the product name. From here, I have to click on the matrix visuals, and you will have the formatting. You can do whatever you like from here. This is the layout and style. I'm gonna go change the style to none, and I'm gonna update the column header, make it bold, and change the fonts. Make it the size that's a bit bigger, and the head alignment, keep it in the middle. Okay, so you can do the formatting, whatever. You can do many formatting depending on your purpose. Now let's going to talk about conditional formatting. Highlight the matrix visuals, and then go for, we have cell element. We can apply setting to. It's only apply for numerical data. You have order, revenue, return. It's going to go for orders. Again, add data bar, highlight the data bar, go to the matrix visuals. We don't have negative bar, so only you have positive, so you can keep it like that, or you can make it white, whatever you like. And this is the positive bar, all the values are positive. This is the format style, data bar apply to values only, or values and totals. Again, keep it only for values, have the minimum, maximum, and you can change the positive whatever you like, and keep it this is red. And from here you can see if you have high orders, depend on the product type, you will see this is the bar from here. You can check the red bar, it's easy to show you whereas you have the high orders from this product name. And gonna go from apply setting to, we have the return rate, and go for background color. I like the background color. From here you will have the minimum and maximum, minimum value and maximum value, and you can change the color if you like. wherever you like, and keep it in green. And this is low, and this is the high. Can I make it turn into more, and change it to more red. Okay, so you can see this is the low value and this is the high value. High returning rate value and low returning value depend on the product name. So this is for conditional formatting. And let's gonna talk about now if you highlight the matrix view and go for filter, I'm just gonna talk about the top and filter. From filter you can see this is filters on this visuals because we select the matrix visual and we have the product name. If you need from product name, select the product name, you will have filter type, this basic filter, and you have the top end. If you need only to show the first top 10 product name, so all you have to do, just put it from here 10 and by value. So we need to go from data pane. We need to sort that depending on the total orders. Is the orders from here. So total orders, keep it in this field and apply filter, and you will have only the top 10 products name filters by the value total orders. So now it's easy for you to check only, if you need to check only the top 10 products name. Now if you click for accessories, you will see everything's changing because this dynamic dashboard. Go for bike, everything changing, clothing, all the values are dynamically changing. Okay? And you can do the same for customers details. If you need to add from here, add the table from here. I'm gonna make this one, minimize this one, it's very big. And if you need to add, you can do whatever you like. And from insert, this is table, keep the table in here. Now it's gonna add all the tables. From visuals, this is customer. So this is customer key. And the first column, customer key, add data, have customer full name, and add customer full name, and add the total orders from here as a numerical data, total orders, and also again add total revenue, and you can modify it. Okay, this is orders, and this is total revenue, and keep it revenue. Click, right click on the right click, and then you'll have the format. Right click, and then you'll have the format. And this size and style. You have style grid, column headers, and keep it bold. Okay, and the cells element. Also, you have the cells element if you need to apply. This is for numerical data for orders. Okay, and you need this is bar. You can keep this bar for orders. You can change the color if you like, whatever. Same what we did, and you can put this kind of color. And also for total revenue, this is for total revenue. You can go for this is background color. You can see the high value and low value. And also go for filter. And from filter, you have customer full name and customer key. The customer key is a unique key, so you can apply the filter for the unique key. For customer full name, we have in here duplicate value, so it's better to apply filter for customer key. From here, this is filter, basic filter, keep it top 10. I'm gonna keep from here top 100 value, top 100 customer value, and apply data for filter. Go from this pane, you have the total order, and filter your total orders. Is for the tab, I need only for the top 100. Apply filter. You will have only the top 100 customer. Okay, and can click on here, go for and back to the formatting. You have the title from here, can apply the title if you like. This is top 100 customer, top 100 customer, bold, alignment in the middle, whatever you like. And okay, now let's gonna add a single card in here for subcategory name. From insert, I have card, and just as card, so it will fit in here. And add the value. This is for subcategory. Gonna add subcategory name. So what we did, so it will show you the top. It will show you the first top value within the first subcategory name. And now if you try to filter this data, from you have filters on these visuals. If you try to use the top end, so you cannot access the top end from here. What you can do, go from data pane. From here, search for a subcategory, have subcategory name, add it to the add to field here, add the data field here, and then you can access from filter type, you can access the top end. And now we need to show items, the first top item, and by value we can search it. This is by the total orders. But add value from here, add total orders by value, apply filter, and you can see now it changing. This you have the tires and the tube. Okay, and can do some more visuals. Gonna go for formatting and double click. We have the formatting. Just gonna do some of the formatting in here. So from cards, you have all cards, layout, shape. Gonna move folders, being background, and gonna go for callouts, apply setting 2, have labels, and we have value. For value, you can keep it bold, but I'm gonna make the font size with 20. Okay, keep it in the middle. The value, and you have for the labels, this is text auto, and it is bold for the labels. You can keep it heading, and the position for the labels, change the font size, the position if you need to keep it bottom. The background, if you need to change the background, you can keep it this dark. And now we can change the text if you like. Now if you're back, you can change the color of the text, and also back to the value, and you can change the color. And keep this one down to bold. Okay. And if you need to add a title at the top of that, you can go from insert. You have textbook. You can grab this one. You can modify it. Order, product type. Highlight, get bold. This is 10. This is Seago YI. Come like that. Okay, and you can keep that, drag it here, keep it at the top. And can copy this one, Ctrl C, keep it here, and you also copy, paste, can keep this one here. And now double click, it's going to change from filter. This is subcategory, you can keep that, and what we need, we'll change the value from total orders. Gonna move total orders, go to the data pane. This is you have return. Gonna put the return rates and put the total orders by value, apply. Okay. You can just modify the name. This is most returns product type. This is P product type. Okay, so now if you check, click on accessories, biking, clothing, all the value are changing. This is the dynamic dashboard. Wherever you click, everything's all changing. This is for this lecture. I hope this information makes sense for you. and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.